Bitcoin is about to create a massive move. The Bitcoin volatility is right now sitting at all-time lows, and each and every single time whenever this happened, well, it has been that calm before the storm, and Bitcoin has been initiating a massive move right after. Right now, the same exact thing is happening at the same time. We are getting massive squeezes right now, indicating that yes, indeed, we are in that calm before the storm, and right now should be the time to be paying attention. So we need to be talking about that exactly. So can we once again push up the likes back above the 150 likes? That will be absolutely amazing. And as always, let's have a look into what's that short term. And yes, anytime soon this breakout is going to be inevitable. If we are going to be having a look into what's this chart, well, we are coming very close towards this apex, and usually at around that apex, we do tend to see this massive breakout. And at the moment, we can be seeing that Bitcoin is actually very boring. We can be seeing that Bitcoin is creating multiple consolidation patterns and actually is not really doing anything. The volatility is just very low, which we can exactly be seeing in this volatility index. If we are going to be having a look into the Bollinger Bands indicator and also the Bollinger Bands width, well, this is exactly indicating how much volatility we are getting in the market. And right now, quite literally, volatility is sitting at all-time lows. So yes, this is indeed indicating that we are getting massive squeezes on the Bitcoin price action. And anytime soon, this volatility is about to be returning towards the market. So that's why I'm saying right now, it's the calm before the storm. And if you have been watching this channel for a longer time, you of course already know that I've been hammering on this signal during these times over here, and also right over here, that volatility was literally sitting at all-time lows. And I was saying so many times at these lows over here that right now is going to be the time to be positioning in the market. Yes, during these times, the Bitcoin market was very boring and it was very hard to be paying attention. But if you have positioned yourself right, well, this massive move was going to be next for you. And right now, we are getting the same exact opportunity. We are getting the same exact chance to be positioning yourself in the market, just like you could be doing over here. So right now, you are getting that same exact chance. We are coming very close towards our breakout on that daily time frame of this symmetrical triangle. At the same time, we are forming this reversal pattern, this inverse head and shoulders pattern. So if we are indeed going to be breaking above this resistance, well, that is going to be very bullish. And I think then the reversal is going to be getting initiated. And then I think that volatility is going to be returning. Now, at the same time, we are having that same exact resistance from off this falling wedge pattern. Bitcoin is still sitting at major levels of support. And I do indeed think that we are going to be getting this massive move getting initiated towards the upside. Now, of course, we can also be seeing this move towards the downside. Of course, this indication is just going to be indicating that volatility is going to be inevitable. And this volatility can either be towards the upside or towards the downside. Now, I do think that we are going to be getting our next move towards the upside. So let me quickly explain. Now, first of all, in order to flip bullish in the short term, I do want to be seeing this market shift. I do want to be seeing this downtrend actually flipping in towards an uptrend. Right now, we could be creating a higher low, and we only need to be breaking above that previous high over here. And then we are going to be confirming an uptrend over here, flipping our downtrend in towards an uptrend, which I want to be seeing. And then I'm going to be flipping very, very bullish in that short term. So keep that in mind. Yes, I'm going to be bullish over here, but I will not be flipping ultra bullish in that short term if we are not going to be seeing these confirmations happening. And until we are going to be seeing these confirmations, we can still be seeing this break towards the downside. Now, if we are going to be having a look into what's our Bitcoin liquidity, yes, definitely the majority of the liquidity is sitting at the top side. And not only the majority, but literally a lot of liquidity. Like, it is getting crazy at this point how much liquidity is sitting at the top side. And we do know that Bitcoin tends to move towards a place where that majority of the liquidity is sitting at. Right now it's sitting at the top side, definitely looking very bullish. We are creating a bullish consolidation over here. We've just gotten a shakeout, and typically we do tend to see a shakeout before the real breakout towards the upside. That has exactly been what we have been seeing during this whole cycle, we have always seen a shakeout before the real breakout. Now, history is once again exactly repeating it. If we are indeed going to be breaking this downtrend over here, I think we are going to be getting our next leg towards the upside getting initiated. Now, on top of that, I already do think that the bottom for Bitcoin is in, because the short-term Bitcoin holders have exactly capitulated at that exact Bitcoin bottom. And at the same time, we have seen that standard correction for this cycle of about minus 20%. So yeah, all in all, it is looking very good. And it is looking like volatility is about to return towards Bitcoin. Now, it might not be happening today, might not be happening tomorrow, but definitely in the end of the day, in the coming next few weeks, I do think that we are going to be getting our next move getting initiated. And I think it is going to be massive. So guys, if you do want to be preparing yourself, make sure to check out that link down below, because on your sign up, you're literally going to be getting a free $5. So make sure to for sure check it out. On top of that, on your first futures trade, you're going to be getting another $100, which is absolutely crazy. It is just going to be free money, which you can be deploying into the market. And on top of that, well, you can also be claiming a $30,500 deposit bonus. Also with this money, you can be opening up free trading positions. So make sure to check out that link down below, CoinW. It is going to be a no-brainer to be checking it out. Now, anyways, you want to be prepared for that next Bitcoin move. I think that Bitcoin is about to go absolutely parabolic. Whenever we are going to be breaking above this red box of resistance, well, then that huge next move is going to be getting initiated. So I know I've been saying it so many times in this video, but do be prepared. Anyways, with that being said, make sure to be following me over on Twitter to stay up to date about every single market development. And guys, I'll see you in another update video tomorrow morning.